Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do a tutorial. She's cute. She's fall. She's not simple. But then again, kind of simple, you know? She's cute. But yeah. And yeah, my background is different again. This is actually my whole room. But I decided to like switch locations for this video because first, the sun actually came out today, and second, since the sun is out, it was like making my lighting where I usually do my makeup really weird. So I was just like, let me do my makeup in front of the natural lighting that God gave us today. So I was like, yeah, let's do that. And yeah, so today is just a cute little tutorial. And since you guys are already here, don't forget to subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. And please also like this video. People always watch videos but never like them. Like, I swear. Like, it's kind of annoying. I never put highlight on my nose. I cannot believe I was about to step out this house without any fucking highlight on my nose. That's crazy. It looks like I have highlight on, but I don't. I can't believe I almost forgot that. Anyways, like I was saying, like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I upload my videos. I'm trying to upload more, give you more content, fun stuff, better, new, fun, fresh things are coming for 2019. But now that we're done with that, let's continue on with the video. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm gonna move on to foundation. I know I usually do my eyes first, but I'm just trying this new technique. So for foundation, I really want a radiant, glowy look. So I'm gonna use a radiant foundation. But first off, I'm gonna use this Clinique foundation just to put more coverage on my scars. I have a lot of acne scars, which I'm trying to get rid of. And if anyone knows something like that's gonna work really well to get rid of acne scars, please let me know. I'm just gonna blend that in a little bit. For the next foundation I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, and I'm gonna use the shade 208 and 210. I'm just gonna mix those together. I'm also gonna add the MAC Strobe cream in the shade Peach Light, and I'm just gonna mix that in my foundation, just a little dot. I honestly need to get like a little a little plate where I can like mix all my foundations too. I really want that glowy look. You know, I've been having a lot of like breakouts for some reason. When I use like my matte foundation, it kind of makes me look crusty. So I'm not really here for that. This foundation is like way darker than my skin right now, but it's okay. I'm just gonna blend her out really well. I'm so dead. ASMR? That's funny. Next, I'm gonna add some concealer under my eyes. This is the Tarte Shade Tape concealer. And usually I apply it everywhere, but the Tarte Shape, I can't speak. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer dries down really quick. So I just like to move fast with this concealer. And honestly, I'm really just want to try a different concealer. Like, this concealer is good, but like I just want something that doesn't really dry me down. Cause this is good coverage, but it really just dries me down. And my skin is already dry, so it's like, don't be like that, you know? I really can't wait till I can get like a cute background. Because honestly, right now, I just be trying to find like the best space for lighting. So that's why like I tried this, cause like the sun has not been out in freaking Georgia for like this whole week. Ew, what the fuck? Oh my god. But yeah, it has not been out like this whole week. So it's just like, sis, where have you been, you know? And she popped out today. And I usually film like at nighttime. And so where I usually film, so like the light was coming like behind me and it was just making the lighting look really bad. So I was like, let me try this. And that is just like not straight. What's it? And now I'm gonna use the Revolution concealer in the shade C16, and I'm gonna use this to cream contour. So I'm just gonna dab some just like on the back of my hand, and with this little like fluffy brush, I'm gonna use it to contour. And that's how you want to leave it. I'm just kidding. And then with my beauty blender, I also blend. I always call this a beauty blender, but it's not. It's just a sponge. Okay. And then, oh, that actually just took away the contour. And then I'm just gonna push her into my like hairline and then forehead. Now, since I'm going for like this really like radiant look, I'm going to add my highlighter right now while my base is still wet, because that will just make the highlighter pop off more and give it more of that like glow within. And then I'm just gonna like pat her down. Make sure she blends in nicely. I'm gonna grab my Laura Mercier powder. First, I'm gonna make sure all the creases are like blent out. And then with the same sponge, I'm going to press the powder in. And now we're just gonna leave that like that, and I'm going to move on to my eyes next. Actually, before I move on to my eyes, I think I'm gonna contour my nose. Yeah. I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer. And I'm just grabbing a blending brush and I'm gonna contour my nose. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use this like orange, it's not an orange, what am I saying? I'm gonna use this brown, and it has like an orangey reddish undertone, so that's what I want at the moment. And I'm gonna use my Morphe Y16 brush to blend that out. So honestly, recently the technique that I've been really enjoying is like bringing the eyeshadow like right here in your inner corner and then like all the way to your brow bone. I've always done like eyeshadow like all the way up to my like eyebrows because that's just been my thing. But I've been really like enjoying just putting it here. I just feel like it really like snatches the fuck out my nose, you know? So I'm placing that color right here and just gonna blend her out like upwards. So y'all can see what I'm doing. See how it has like, once you blend it out, it gives you like that kind of like burnt orange look. That's so pretty. I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette, and with the same brush, I'm going to tap into Real Gar. Yes, yes. We're going for like that orange vibe today, I guess. Wasn't really planning on it. There she is. And then we're gonna swoop that above the crease, just like so. To make it a little bit more brighter, going back to Zulu palette, I'm gonna use this bright orange, just very lightly. Just like a little. A little like brightness right there. Next, I'm going to dip into Red Orchard, Orchard, something like that. I still don't know how to say it. And same brush. And I'm going to apply that directly on the crease. Right like that. I'm going to clean that brush now, and then I'm going to blend out the edges so it'll look really like, what is wrong with my voice? I'm so sorry. I'm going to clean out the brush, and I'm going to just blow it out, not having any more product on the brush, just blowing it out and having it blend out. I don't know why, but I've just been really into like blown out looks like this, you know? Just like that. It's just like really my thing right now. Yes, ma'am. My Morphe Y19 brush, it's just like this little dome shaped brush. It's really good for packing. I'm gonna go back to that red ochre shade and just pack some more right here. From the Friendcation palette by Dose of Colors in collaboration with Desi and Katie, I'm going to tap into, what is this shade called again? Basic. I'm going to tap into Basic, and with this little shading brush, I'm just going to apply that right there where I cut the crease. Ooh, sister. This looks good. I'm gonna do my under eyes. And I'm just gonna get the red ochre again. Now I'm gonna bronze up my cheeks with the Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna add blush, and I'm gonna use the mixture of these two blushes. This is the Flower. This is the blush by Flower in the shade Peach Primrose, and this is the ombre blush by NYX in the shade Nude to Me. So I'm just gonna mix those up together. Open it. Next, I'm going to put on mascara and then put on my falsies. I'm gonna curl these lashes up first. For lashes, I'm gonna use these Ardell Wispies. These are in the number 113. These are my favorite Wispies. And then I just like to squeeze these together with my real lashes. Okay, so for the last step, I'm just going to apply this MAC lipstick in the shade Persistence. So this is a final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and put your post notifications on. And yeah, I'll see you next time.